the first thing here, you just ignoring you in here. For now, you just ignore what I say for this knowledge. You just know this. This is a new means. I just create a object, but we don't know for now we don't learn the class. We don't learn the object oriented. So in here you just ignore the knowledge here. Okay, you just know this one, two, three, the three lines. The three line here is put put a thing here. Maybe five. I give it five. Five. I can give this five to guess. Okay, I can give five to guess. And when I use enter, I put out guess. Okay, for this three line up here, and this three line up here, it just here is we just here we just create a random. And the random here, we use the next int. This is the method. This is method, but we have no. You just know that this one is generate. It generates a random number from 0 to 100. For this part, it generates a number from 0 to 99. So I plus one, so it generates the random number from 1 to 100. Okay, and we just here we print the random number. Okay, so in here, I just tell you how to put a number in here. And for this part, I tell you how to generate a random number. So I give you this. So I want you to do this access to create a number guessing game. The program will randomly think integer between 1 and 100. Okay, program will randomly think integer between 1 and 100. This part. This is for this part. Okay, and let you separate enter your guess. Enter your guess, so you can use this part. You can use this part is enter your guess, and after guess, it will tell you guess it too high, too low until you guess the correct answer. Okay, this is it. This maybe just a little difficult because I think little difficult. I think I gave you this part, okay, and you should do the next. Oh, another one. You can use break. You can use break to end the loop. Okay, so that means if you get the correct answer, and you can use break to end the loop. Okay, for this case, for this access to, you can you should use while, and you should use if is we had learned yesterday. Okay, so you should use while and if. Okay, I think I give you 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes for this case. Okay, I give you an answer. Okay. You should. I think. I saw the answers you give to me, but I think some of you use AI. Use AI to help you. I think use AI is a good thing, but you should let the AI tell you why the code why the code you why the code should be written like this. Okay, you should know why, but not how. Okay, you should know why, not how. Okay, so you can use AI. Okay, I tell you the answer about this one. Okay, the first thing here, the first thing is we should get a random number. Okay, so here, so for this one, two, this two line is to get a random number, and I give the random number to here, to this variable. Okay, and here we should use this one in here, and we can get into guess. And here is for your part. Well, true. Well, true means infinity loop. This one is an infinity loop. And the value of the gas, we can use scanner making next. Okay. Okay, this is the gas. And in here we should use if. If the gas equal to random number, that means bingo. And we should break. Break means we just out of this. Okay. Break means we just out of this loop. This is break. And else the gas is bigger than the random number. So we can print out the gas is too high. Is too high. And else we can just print out too low. Okay. We can run the code 15 is too low. It's too high. 65 too low. Too high. Too high. Bingo. So here is the answers. Okay. Let me take a shot. This is a little difficult one. Okay. Then we go to the knowledge point 4, accumulation and counting. Accumulation adds the value from each insertion to total rest. And the accumulation variable is usually initializing to 0 before the loop. And the counting variable usually increase by 1 when condition is met. And accumulation focus on the total amount, while counting focus on the numbers of times both can appear in the same loop. Okay, for example, okay, code example, okay. We have I is 1 and sum 0. And we can use this well, I is smaller or equal to 3. Sum equal to sum plus I and I plus plus. This is to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, this is calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. For the beginning, I is 1 and sum is 0. And I is 1. 1 is smaller or equal to 3 is true or false. It's true. So we go inside. Sum 0 plus 1 is 1. So sum is 1 and I plus plus means I plus 1. I become 2. Okay. We go to there. 2. 2 is smaller or equal to 3. True or false? Is true. So we go inside again. Sum is 1. I is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. So here sum is 3. Oh, sorry. Sum is 3. And here I plus plus I become to 3. Okay. And 3 is smaller or equal to 3, true or false? It's true. We go to here. Sum is 3 plus I here is 3. So 3 plus 3, sum is 6. Sum 6. I plus plus is 4. Okay. We go here. 4. 4 is smaller or equal to 3, true or false? It's false. So we just break. We break. So when I print, when here I print, when I print sum is 6. Okay. Let's see the result. It should be 6. Okay, 100 is 50. It is 550. 5050. They're the, they're the same, but they do 100 times. Okay. Do you know why is output 6 for oh sorry, why is the output for 3 the result is 6? Do you know that? At the beginning, the I is 1, right? The I is 1 and the sum is 0. Is 0. And sum I is 1. 1 is smaller or equal to 100. Yes, it's true. So sum here 0 plus 1, sum becomes to 1. And 1 plus plus is 2. Okay. We go here 2. Here's 2. And 2 is smaller or equal to 100. It's true. So we go here again. Sum is 1. I is 2. 1 plus 2. Sum become to 3. And 1 plus plus I is 2. And this one become to 3. And we go there. The I is 3. 3 is smaller or equal to 100. True or false? Oh, sorry. I forgot this. It's when 3 is smaller or equal to 100. True or false? Yes, it's true. It's true. Yeah. And sum 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So sum is 6. And I plus plus is 4. I become to 4. And 4 here, 4 is smaller or equal to 100. Yes, it's true. So go here, 6 plus 4 equal to 10. This is a 10. And here is 4. I become to 5. And do it again, again, and again. And until I become to 101. It's break. It's break. Okay. So the it has so many tabs, so I can't do it for you. Okay. It has so many times, but you can you can see this one. 1, 2, 3 plus 98, 99 plus 100, right? This one, 1 plus 100, 101, 2. Okay, okay. And 2, okay. And 2 plus 99, still 100. 3 plus 98, still 100. And how many pairs? How many pairs for 1 to 100? It's 50, right? So multiply 50. the result 5050. Okay, this is the math problem, not the program problem. Okay. Okay. Practice. Exercise 1. Still use for this one. For this one, still use while and if. Okay. Count how many numbers from 1 to 10 are greater than or equal to 6. 5 minutes for this one. Okay, for this result is just a print. It's just uh print the numbers. The numbers is greater than or equal to 6. It's not the how many. It's not the count. It's not how many numbers. Okay. And for this one is the correct number. Sorry, is correct answer. Okay, I give you this one. I is 1 and sum is 0. Okay. I think this one should be count. Count is better. Okay, we don't use sum. Well, the I is smaller or equal to 10. We can go into this loop. Okay, if the I is bigger than or equal to 6, count plus plus. And here, the I plus plus. Okay, we can run it. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to put out. It's 5, okay? I tell you how it works. Yeah, I just forgot to print. Okay, at the first, the I is 1, the count is 0, and I smaller or equal to 10 is true. So we go in here, and if I is bigger or equal to 6, the I here is bigger than or equal to 6 is true or false. It's false. So here we go here, I plus plus, I become 2. And we go here again, 2 is smaller or equal to 10. Yes, we go inside, and if 2 is bigger or equal to 6, true or false? It's false. So we go to again, we run it again, and again until it go to 6. Okay, 6 is smaller or equal to 10, true or false? It's true. We go here, 6 is bigger or equal to 6. It's true. So here, count plus plus become 1, and I plus plus, I become 7. 7 is smaller or equal to 10. Yes, it's true. We go in here. If 7 is bigger or equal to 6, true or false? It's true. And count plus plus, count become 2. And I plus plus, I become to 8. And 8 smaller than or equal to 10 is true or false? It's true. We go inside. If 8 is bigger or equal to 6, it's true or false? It's true. And count plus plus becomes 3, and I plus plus becomes 9, and 9 smaller or equal to 10 is true or false? It's true. We go inside, and 9 is is bigger or equal to 6, it's true or false? It's true. And we go here, count plus plus, count become to 4. And I plus plus, I become to 10. And here, 10 is smaller or equal to 10, true or false? It's true. We go inside here, if I is smaller, is bigger or equal to 6, is true or false? It's true. Count plus plus, count become to 5, and add plus again, come to 11. 11 is smaller or equal to 10. No, it's false. So we just we just break this loop. Break this loop. We go out of this loop. We just print count. And the value of this count is 5, and this is why here is 5. Okay. And access 2. Another one. Calculate the sum of all even numbers from 1 to okay. Meaning it will print the last value of this count. Yes, yes. Okay. Calculate the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, this one still 5 minutes for you. Okay, time is up. Let's say if numbers the condition of the yes, yes. Okay, I give you the answer of this access too. So for this one, we need to calculate the sum of all even numbers from to 1 to 20. Okay, so we can as well to get we can use that to get all the numbers, or we can use that with limit I plus plus. We can use that to get 1 to 20, right? But for this one, we need to calculate all the sum, or we need to calculate all the sum of all even numbers. Okay, so in this one, we need sum, and here we should use if I smaller or equal to 20. Oh, sorry. This one is the I percentage 100 equal to 0, and sum equal to sum plus I, right? Well, in this well, we just in that well we just to in that well here we print we just find 1 to 20, right? But in here, if the remainder is 0, if the remainder is 0, we just add them together and calculate the sum of all even numbers. Okay, we run the code. Oh, I forgot to print out. Okay, it's 10. Yes. Here is I. Sorry. Here's I. Why are you assign the value of I equal to 1? I think should be 2. Why is 2? Yes, I think two still be okay. Still be okay. But the two, if you use two here, because you think one is an odd number, right? One is an odd number. Two is even number. So we can start with two. But if you use two, we run the code, we got the same result. Okay. So one or two, whatever you want, okay? One or two, all of them is okay. One of them are okay, okay? This one you can assign assignments it's as 1 or 2 is okay. And the knowledge point 5, do well loop. Concepts and explanation. The do well loop will execute the loop body once before checking condition. The future of do well is that loop body run at least once. If suitable, is suitable for showing a menu first, reading inputs once first, or doing an action once before deciding whether to continue. A semicolon is required after while condition at the end of the do while loop. Okay, I give you a code example. Okay, here we run the code. You see the result is show welcome page. This one is the times is 0, and we do it no matter the condition is true or false. We just do it. Okay, we do it. We show the same page welcome page, and the times plus times become to 1, and well 1 smaller than 1 true or false is false, so we just break. This is false, but we still print this out. This is it. This is the do well. The future of do well is that loop body runs at least once. Okay, practice. Exercise 1. Print downloading at least once. Keep print before precise reach 100. Okay, I just give you because we don't have much time, so I just give you this answer, okay? So the progress is 18. We just in here we do to print downlink and progress plus equal to 20. And the progress becomes 100. And well, here 100 is smaller than 100 is false. We just break. Okay, we run it. You see, we just print downlink. You should notice the difference. the difference between do well and well. Do well means no matter the condition is true or false, I just run the loop body at least one time. But well means but in the while loop, that means the condition is true. The condition is true. I just run the loop body. But if the condition is false, the loop body will not run. Okay. Knowledge point 6, the break and continue. Break and continue, we already learned the break. The break means we just break the loop, break the whole loop. But while the continue keeps the remaining code in the current iteration. The break is often to use to end a loop earlier after finding a target. The continue is often to skip data that does not need process and continue to the next interaction. When you're using continue, still make sure that loop variable is updated. Otherwise, an infinite loop may also happen. Okay. So here, okay. Here is a code example. Okay, int I equals 1, and well, the number, wait a minute, still remember that one? In this one, maybe we just not put the sum. We just put out I, or the I here, the even number, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. You can do that. You can do that, or or you can or you can do this. This one is not equal to 0. And a plus plus, okay, wait a minute. Continue. Okay. Wait a moment. Well, if I not equal to, here is I plus plus, continue. Okay. Okay, here I just tell you why this one is still B2, and I just give you the correct code. Okay. Okay, in this one, I is equal to 1 and 1 is smaller or equal to 20. It's true. So we go inside. Here is I is 1, 1 has not remainder 0 in here. is false. Sorry for that. It's true, right? 1 is 2, and this is 0. And this is 1. This is 1, and this is true. This is true. And I plus plus is 2. 2 and continue. Continue means I just end this loop. This loop not go to the escape 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 to this loop and continue to the next one. Okay, so here I is 2, and in here I is 2 or not. Here is 2. This one is true, right? This one true, and 2 minus 0. This one is false. This one is false, and print 2. And go here again, and this one become 2. And 2, this one still false. We go here and print 2. So we print 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We print so many 2s here, right? And we can, yes, we can put I plus plus out of this if. We run the code. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Something wrong with my computer. Okay. I just don't know why. Why this one still be 2? Okay. I found the problem finally. In here. This I here should be plus 1 again. Okay. This one still be okay. So in here, the I is 1. The I is smaller or equal to 20. Yes. So if this one is true or false, this one is true or false. This one is false. So we go here. Sorry. Oh, this one is true, right? Because 1 minus, 1 divides 2 is 0, and the remainder is 1. The 1 is not equal to 0. So this is true. And I plus plus, this I is 2, right? Continue. Continue means I just go to the next loop. we go here. The I is 2 now, and 2 is smaller, or this one is true, right? 2 is smaller than or equal to 20. It's true. And here, 2 divided 2 is 1, and the remainder is 0. 0 not equal to 0. It's true or false? It's false. So we go here. The I become in here become to 2. So I put 2 out. This is y here. And I plus plus I is in here is 3. 3 is still smaller than 20, right? And 3 divide, the remainder is 1 in here. So I plus plus, here is 4, and continue. Continue, go here, 4 minus 4 divides 2 is 2, and the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. 0 is not to 0, it's false. So we go here, we go here again, and we print 4. And I plus plus is 5, and do it again and again and again. So we can get the result. We can get the result. Okay, this is a code example. Okay, one last practice. The last one, the last practice. Execute. Exercise 1, print the number from 1 to 10 except 3, and end the loop when reaching 8. So because we don't have much time, so I just give you answer, okay? Oh, sorry, it's for loop. Wait a moment. Okay, this is it. The first one is 1, and 1, this one is true, right? This one true, and equal to 8 is false. So we don't break. We go here. If it's equal to 3, it's false. I plus plus, I become to 2. And I just print, I print 2. And plus plus become to 3. And we go here again. The 3, yes, this is true. And it's not equal to 8. So we don't break. We do it again. And it's 3, no. Oh, here, the first thing here is 1, and here's 2, right? 2. And we go here again, and it becomes to 3. And we go here again, it's become to 3. And this one is not break. Break this is 3. 3 equals 3. And here is 4. 4 is continue. Continue means we just go to this loop. We just skip this loop, go to the next one, and continue means these parts we just ignore them. And here is 4. 4, and here still not equal to 8. 4 equal to 3, true or false is false. We go here, it's become to 5, right? It's become to 5. We go here again, 6, 7, 8, until 8. If this one is true, and if I equal to 8, 8, yes, it's true, and we break. So we can run the code. It's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, this is all the class for today. We see you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Bowen. Thank you, Tina Lee. Thank you, Sherry. We are grateful. We really appreciate your teaching today. And I would like to bring to the attention of our learners that punctuality is paramount, then attendance is also paramount. So if you miss, just be rest assured that you might not be given certificate. Yes, so many of us did not attend yesterday, and I could see that most of us are back in today, maybe probably because of the holiday. We had holiday in Uganda yesterday. Yeah, I think that might be the cause. But please, always attend. Always attend. And very soon, we will soon be sharing the list of attendance. And if you know your name is not there, just know that it might cost you the certificate. So we just want everybody to be participating, everybody to be attending the class because it's good for everybody. So thank you, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow by 9:30. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.